Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're in safe mode to fix a problem, so start immediately. Hold the PS button power down, then press and hold until the second beep to boot safe mode. Once done, connect your controller with a USB cable to confirm control. Note why. Safe mode restricts wireless configuration for stability, so you must either use an Ethernet cable now or plan to exit and set Wi-Fi in normal mode. Make sure a router or Ethernet cable is ready before continuing. Once you understand the restriction, choose a path. If you need safe mode network functions, like update system software, plug an Ethernet cable between PS4 and router because safe mode supports wired only. If you require Wi-Fi, restart the console into normal mode and go to Settings Network Setup Internet Connection to configure wireless SSID and password. If you can't access a router, consider using your phone as a hotspot and connect the PS4 normally. Finish by confirming the PS4 is online. Test network connection in Settings. Once connected via Wi-Fi, reboot into safe mode if you need to run repairs that require a network system. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip is to switch to Ethernet temporarily. Many safe mode operations and large updates are more reliable wired. Also, restart your router, double-check SSID/password, and use a correct formatted USB drive with system software if you must reinstall the OS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.